What's going on, guys? Hope you're having a good morning. Beautiful day here in Chico, California. So we're going to go over the news of Ethereum, and then we're going to go over the technical analysis of Ethereum, show you guys where I believe the best entries are for Ethereum, and actually show you how to place those trades on Coinbase Pro so you guys can get triggered in automatically, even if you're sleeping, you're on vacation, or you're doing something fun, and you don't want to be staring at the charts. Once you're entered, you can take advantage of the profits when you head up. So let's get into it. The news coming out today, which is April 29th, we are looking at the following stories. Digital currency Ether hits a record high, stealing Bitcoin's limelight. Overall, this is a bullish sentiment, so we're going to say that this is bullish. Bitcoin tests Ethereum. When should you take profits on your biggest investment winners? Okay, this is, I would call, a neutral to a bullish sentiment. JP Morgan explains why Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin. Kind of a little jab there at Bitcoin. So I'm going to say that this is a bullish sentiment. Why do I look at the news? I know that retail traders and millions of people are looking at Google. They type in Ethereum news, and they're going to be looking at what is the news sources pumping to them. And I know a lot of retail traders look at the news, they get excited, they get emotionally stimulated, and then they buy or they sell based off the good or the positive or negative news, and that has to play into the technical analysis as well. Again, the top article here I see is Ether soars to new all-time highs, and JP Morgan notices. Ethereum jumps to record high on report of EIB digital bond. I'm not even going to read these. I don't need to read them. All I know is the title is a bullish sentiment, and that is where most people are going to be looking for retail traders that don't necessarily know a lot about fundamentals or the projects behind the company. They're going to be looking on Google. All right. Keep it in mind, bullish sentiment, price is heading up. Technical analysis, we are going to be looking at an ascending channel that I've been looking at for a little while, and we rebroke it, so I'm actually going to draw this down here a little bit lower. So that's what I was looking at yesterday. And then we also have the ascending channel that I'm looking at right here. Now, real quickly, I don't need to do too much technical analysis on this to realize where the best entry is for me personally if I were to look to buy Ethereum. And that's going to be at the strongest support level possible. Not too close to price, but not too low to the point where we're just going to be waiting for, half a year to get hit. We're not placing, our buy limits down here. Not smart, okay? The best place that I personally think that we have an opportunity to get in again for Ethereum that is at a place where you're not going to regret it just hitting and then keep going down, but a very strong level, is right around this 2,000 mark. We see that we have a great structure here, and we have multiple touches with Ethereum on these wick values. It is also at a very strong psychological level of $2,000. Can this get back down here? In my opinion, absolutely it can get back down here. I think Ethereum could actually drop down and get down to 1,000 again. I know it sounds stupid to some people, but there really is no telling. You guys go back to the charts when we were back here. Let me go to the daily view so I can show you this. This looks a little bit better on Bitcoin when we look at this, but a lot of people were trading Bitcoin and Ethereum when we hit this jump over here. And people are like, oh, it's going to keep going up. I remember John McAfee, you guys probably do as well, pumping this thing like crazy, saying we're going to $50,000 and $100,000. Guess what happened? It came all the way down to a 50% retracement and came down to the bottom again. Look at psychology of a market cycle, Google that, and you'll see that it is not unrealistic for Ethereum to come back down to a 50% retracement around what I would call probably the 1,000 mark area. But for this current moment, I think the best entry is at 2,000. So let's place this entry on Coinbase Pro. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to Coinbase, I'm going to click Ethereum, and then I'm going to click Buy. And you guys are going to put in whatever amount you want here that you like, but for this one, I'm going to choose right around the middle here. So I don't want to be at 2,000 because that's a very strong psychological level. I want to be in just a little bit above 2,000 so I can get triggered in before other people who are just trying to get right in at that psychological level. I did get into ADA at exactly $1, which I'm very excited about because that's doing very good today. And I placed it exactly at $1. But with Ethereum, I would try to get in here a little bit higher. So what we're going to do is do $2,050. So what you're going to do is type in here, $2,050. And then that is going to be the limit price. And the amount you get to choose. Do you want to do 25, 50, 75, or max of your portfolio? I'm just going to do max. A little bit of cash left in here. I'm not going to be placing this trade for myself. I have live trades placed on Cardano right now, so I'm doing this for examples just to keep it transparent. All right, that's what you're going to do. Make sure this says limit and don't let it say market or stop, and then all you're going to do is do preview order. Okay, then you're going to do place by order. I'm not nervous about this whatsoever. It is not taking. If it's market, it will take, so just watch out for that. You'll see down here where it says open orders, and then if you want to see it on the orders tab, then it says open orders. I have one that is a live trade, live money, on ADA right now for $1.14. You can see the past fills I have on here on Coinbase, okay? So that is how you set it up for Ethereum. Now, if we start heading down here, where are you gonna look for a possible exit if we do hit this? Because some of you guys, if you got into ADA like the place I did, you're gonna be hitting this, but then the next question is gonna be like, where do I get out? So if we do start coming back down here, maybe a 50% retracement, move back up, and then break this again, break this trend line, and we do come back all the way down here, then the next best place I would be looking for an exit would probably be right around 2,500. That's another very strong psychological level. Now, if you guys are in here and you're holding for the long term, then something I would suggest that you can think about, I'm not a financial advisor, this is entertainment purposes only, got to put that out there, is that possibly looking to exit 50% at this 2,500 mark and letting the rest ride if you guys are looking for that. If you want to just get in and out, make some quick profits, that's not a bad place to take profits, because if you were to enter in right around this area, you guys are looking at about close to about 18 to 20% profit on that move right there. So there's the best entry I see. The news is looking bullish. Set it up in Coinbase. It's going to be an automatic trade is what you guys are doing. This is, you are actually participating in what's called the black box trading, where trades are automatically sent through the system, as well as automated algorithm trading. But it's kind of fun. Set it up, let it do the work for you. Go play golf, go have fun, and then when it heads up, you guys can exit in the profit. So there you guys go. That's the analysis for Ethereum. God bless you guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.